The last time I did video here,
Yeah.
they've not done. Yeah, not done all this. So this is the ambience in a beautiful location. We're actually working on giving a similar thing of what you can see in Urban Prime. But this is not smart home, it's just modern style home. But delivered with a lot of things in it.
I see the foundation.
Yeah, foundation is big.
Rock solid.
It's very, very solid. That's a raft foundation.
Is it a dry land?
No, sandfield. Yes. Sandfield and well structured. So this is more going to be more like a relaxation center. But for now, what we want to do is what you set to get at the completion level, things to be here, like a display location. Yeah, so that's what you get here first. And
that's another one over there.
yeah, that's for another company, not yeah. So first of all, the estate where the ambience is very, very, very secured.
I saw that. How many gates? 2 gates before you get here.
Yes, 2 gates before you get here. They don't let bike normally come in. So yeah. It's because of the construction
there's bike inside
ongoing.
the estate. The one outside cannot come in.
It's the estate bike.
There,
But
that's
they
what I'm
can't
saying.
even go into some estates except
Really?
cars.
So there are still more estate down there.
Yes. So the development here is really, really, really amazing. Last time work has not gone this far. You can see. As I said, every day you come here, you shall see something ongoing. Despite it's a festive period, people's investments are here. And the kind of deliveries that are coming is going to be, it's coming with so much deliveries. So much. This is how the other one was before. Bare ground. I was cheaper then. But now that they've got something,
money.
can hear what the guy was saying. From 60, he's going to 63. He's even calling it 63 from today. I had to tell him, no, not today. At least there are still few days.
Oh no, I know you will have the information now.
Yes.
His own is to make mouth.
His own is to make mouth. And they've started the walls.
So they have, is that not their banner over there?
Yes. No, that's not. No, that's for another company. Yes, that's for another company. So, walls. So, with a deposit of 3 million, you can actually own 1 unit here, or a deposit of 4 million naira. Hurry up, act fast. Give me a call and make sure you're securing 1 unit of this beautiful home in Ajah. Anyway, if you are new on this channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to get notified on each time we do a post right on the Heart to Heart TV. Follow us up on all of our social media platforms and ask a lot of questions with regards to your real estate investment. So you can see it's already in a beautiful location. Okay, fast developing. If you need more information, give me a call and act fast to get your 2-bedroom apartment, 3-bedroom terrace with a BQ, 2-bedroom terrace with a BQ, 4-bedroom fully detached, with a BQ, and that has got a penthouse. All right, take care.
You are hard working.